What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be checking out Lunar Classic and all of the updates that you guys need to know. We got some news coming out with the SEC and Do Kwon. We got some proposal news, some Binance news, and we're going to be going over the price action and everything that you need to know to be fully up to date in this market. If you have a second, smash up that like button. Let me know down there in the comment section how long you have been here on this channel following these videos, and let's jump straight into it. Please do remember that nothing in the videos are financial advice, and the SEC is suing Terraform Labs and Do Kwon for crypto fraud involving UST and Luna. So today we charged Singapore-based Terraform Labs with orchestrating a multi-billion-dollar crypto asset security fraud involving an algorithmic stablecoin and other crypto assets. I'm sure you guys know about this. This came out about 2 days ago, but this is a big move for the SEC to actually come out and say they are actually going after them now, and Do Kwon is still a fugitive. Now, we do have some other worrying news that has come out, right? So Do Kwon actually cashed out 10,000 Bitcoin using a Swiss bank, claims the SEC. So as reported by Bloomberg, the latest allegation from the not the UK, obviously, the US securities watchdog indicate that Do Kwon used an unnamed Swiss bank to cash out more than $100 million worth of Bitcoin between June 22 and the date of this complaint, which is February 16th. Now, guys, I know a lot of people out there have actually been speculating that Do Kwon was actually innocent, and maybe not. Maybe not. We're not sure yet. Of course, there's no proof yet. This is all speculation still, but I don't think it's looking very good, right? If they're claiming that he cashed out $100 million worth of Bitcoin. Where did he get that Bitcoin? Whose Bitcoin was it? Was it meant to be guarding Luna and UST, or was it random Bitcoin that he's made over the time? Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Now, jumping straight back over here, let's check out the proposals that we have going through for Lunar Classic right now. We got 2 proposals. So optional feature 1, wallet exemption to the on-chain tax. So this is a request from Binance. Binance has requested that the internal movement between Binance-owned wallets be exempt from the burn tax, currently set at 0.2%. A list of Binance-owned wallets have been provided to the community via the above announcement. It was confirmed with Binance that the movement to and from Binance wallets will still be taxed. So basically what they're asking for is there to be no tax when internally they are moving around Lunar Classic. So within the hot wallets for the exchange, moving it around, there are no taxes for that. But if you do put money in from another source, like a centralized exchange or your own wallets, when you put it into those wallets, there will be a tax. That's what they're asking for. That's the first one there. And the second one, they are, let's just check out how that's doing. So far, pretty much everyone is saying yes for that. And then heading over to the next one, this is an optional feature 2. Binance has requested that a separate burn wallet to be created where Lunar Classic can manually be sent to this burn wallet, be excluded from the seniority remit and calculation done at the end of every epoch. Basically, any Lunar Classic sent to this wallet is burned and stays burned. This second burn wallet will be publicized and could be used by anyone in the community for this purpose. So those are the 2 proposals that are going through right now, both of which are pretty much looking like they are going to pass, and people are getting very excited about this. Now, I've been speaking about burns and things like that, and I just don't think that this is the most important thing here, right? We're sitting at a $1.1 billion market right now. Is that correct? Isn't that up a lot, but the price is down? I'm a bit confused there. But we're sitting at a big market cap, and I don't think that simply just continuing to fight over burning is the way to go. I think what we should be doing is, yes, of course, Binance burning is going to be great. So we probably should do what they're asking so we can get more Binance burns and get the Binance burns back into the ecosystem. But I don't think this is the be-all and end-all. I think building on this ecosystem, building real utility like we see over on other ecosystems is what's most important. Everyone is focusing on burns continually. Do you see everyone talking about burns on Polygon or on BNB? There are burns on BNB, but that's not the only thing that people are talking about, right? Polygon Matic, they don't only talk about burns. They talk about utility. They talk about partnerships. They talk about building something real and special that's going to change things for the future of finance, right? That's what we should be doing, right? So let's stop focusing so much on burns. My little rant is over there. Right now, Terra Classic sitting at 0.001688, down 2% today. We got Luna actually down only 2. We got Luna also down 2% today at a $400 million market cap, and UST down almost 4% today. Now, until the market gets really bullish and we start to see some more utility, I don't think we're going to see some huge pumps here, right? When we get some catalysts, I do think this is going to run because the community is still there. There's a very large community behind this whole ecosystem. But until then, we just got to chill out, right? Bitcoin again being rejected at the $25,200 region, exactly to a T where I was watching, right? I'm waiting for the 25,000 to be broken so we can hopefully see some more price action going up. You can see we touched it twice here. If we do go on a closer time frame here, you can see potentially a double top forming here, which if you didn't know is actually a bearish pattern. So we're going to have to wait to see what happens here, or this could just be an upwards stepping motion trend going upwards here, and hopefully the next time we head up to 25,000 we can actually break it. If you did want to trade, BitGet is there for you guys. They are my partner here on the channel. You can get up to $10,000 worth of a deposit bonus down there in the description, and of course you can buy some smaller cap altcoin gems like Vela that I've been talking about on both of my channels. So if you want to sign up, the links are down there in the old description. Right now we do have the DXY today having a little bit, we do have the DXY potentially trending downwards. Of course we got to wait for this day month, of course we got to wait for today to play out, but hopefully we can break this upward trend we have going into the market now, and we can break lower. We want to see this break lower so our risk on assets can go up. DXY down, risk on assets up, right? Just checking out quickly the greed and fear index. We are still in greed, but we are coming down a little bit from where we were a few days ago in moving into extreme greed, right? We don't really want that to happen while we're still potentially in just a bear market rally, which until we at least break 25,000, I'm not saying once we break it, I'm going to change my mind, but at least we break 25,000, we are still simply in a bear market rally, which we saw many times here in the last bear market. Just to remind you, this one was a 342% rally, right? Right now, we are only seeing a 61% rally. Of course, there's a lot more money in this market, so it's a lot harder to move the market, but that's what we're seeing so far. Hopefully today I did provide you with some value. If you do want to come over and chat to me, I do have a link down there in my description to my Patreon. This is where you get access to my portfolios, my trades, the coins that I'm looking at. I just recently today just posted a couple of coins that I am looking at this week that I think show some potential. Of course, it's not financial advice. You guys got to do your own research. But if you do want to come and join a bunch of like-minded people, there is a link down there to my Patreon. Follow it if you fancy it. If not, I will simply see you guys in the next video. Peace.